My dear child, those triumphant moments when the blessings you have prayed for become visible to you, do not let the memories of our relationship to fade from your thoughts, my sweet kid. See yourself lowering yourself to one knee and feeling secure in your hopes and prayers. Knowing that I have supported you through all of your worries at night, all of your muttered requests, and all of your unwavering devotion to your loved ones, and the profound desire within you have inspired me in the you persevered through life's storms, your wisdom shining through. Persevere through difficult times, and your decisions demonstrate how much, given your knowledge and intelligence, your charity is boundless. Akin to my desire to assist you is a manifestation of our shared generosity, like a river gushing from the depths of a generous heart. Unbreakable connection that becomes stronger with every good deed and morning prayer. You are fundamentally changed by my lessons, and I am here to support you whenever you interact with your kind perseverance with the EB, and the flow of difficulties have made it possible for your life is a manifestation of my divine intent, and I am inspired by your unwavering faith and the countless paths you have taken. Please donate us $100 to support us. Your prayers will soon be answered in a way that will enable you to fulfill your greatest desires. In actuality, they are among these advantages, just as I shall always. I implore you to recall the times you prayed while crying and the suffering you went through. I ask that you remember me in your prayers and thoughts. I promise to bless each and every one of my children. Blessings always arrive at the appropriate time. Please stay where I have blessed you. In my presence, schedule daily communion, and keep your current practice of supporting your siblings. In my opinion, even a small deed will be greatly rewarded by my holy throne. Reward your kindness and good intentions with words that soar. I'll share my goals with you. So even if everything seems to be going wrong for you right now, and I'll do what's best for you, is declining, these are the moments when you have to stoop down and ask me. I will guide you and show you the road. When the trial's darkness has, I'll lift you up till you see the light and hear words of consolation when you pass away. You soar like an eagle, and the solid rock that makes up your basis protects it from the negative energy. You'll recover from any storm like a buffalo and not be moved by. However, you might not be able to recognize the complex web of heavenly interventions in your life right now. But have faith that all will become apparent when the right moment comes. Relax, tune into your surroundings, and observe how the universe blends with your journey. What I produce things that go beyond the ordinary. Do you sense my constant presence? Your side, paying close attention to my quiet pleas and resolutely answering. I resurrect your strength through your prayers, releasing marvels in response to your petitions. And benefits in life's unexpected twists and turns, because the power of the righteous prayers has no limitations, even if they elude your hold occasionally, but they can never get away from my total control. I therefore implore you to entrust them to my care. I promise never to abandon you. No matter how many times other people make mistakes, everything will work out for you in the end, so you just need to be patient. Trust in me and accept the outcomes, because I work with purpose, and you can be sure that what I do is for your benefit. Not my sovereignty, because my love for you knows no bounds. Notwithstanding the reasoning eludes you, putting your fears and doubts to rest. Despite, I've got your back no matter what life throws at you, and my love has made it easier for me to understand your suffering. I'll heal your wounds. If you ask for help, you can talk to me and get the answers you need. Have faith and blessings, and if you pursue something with unwavering conviction, you will succeed. Shall be yours. May you find peace in your want for comfort, and I shall give it to you. Feel my embrace, feel my abundant, unmatched love for you, peace, and understand that it is a manifestation of my boundless energy working non-stop for your advantage. Commitment, your everlasting strength, has always made my caring eyes smile. You have no fear. Never give up, watch the miracle unfold before you, continue to sow seeds, maintain your faith, and continue to pray. You will witness the realization of each pledge I have made, and I shall firmly declare my let me to take a small portion of your attention, my darling son Jesus, whom you adore. I have some extremely significant news to share with you, and I want you to know how much you mean to me and how many blessings are on the way. Deliver to you, so would you perhaps allow me a few moments of your time? I promise I have never left you. I see how you would interpret my abandonment as the cause of your current circumstances. Having stated that, given your apparent shortcomings and errors, this proposition is you are so beautiful that nothing could ever divert my attention from you. I can see right into your soul. My love for you is unfathomable. Boundaries, regardless of how far away we may be, it is an unquenchable fire that never goes out. Look or how vehemently we disagree despite everything that life has to offer, my love never falters and realizes how unstoppable and unquenchable my love is for you. And more resilient than any challenge you encounter, particularly in moments of uncertainty, and my love has greater force when it appears like the weight of the world cannot be overcome. Surpasses everything that this planet has to give, it transcends our comprehension and has no boundaries. My sweetheart, you have my undying love after witnessing the agony you're experiencing as a result of the challenges in life, and I fully understand your needs and issues. Fear not, for I will never abandon you. I swear that my words and my presence will always be there for you. You should embrace the fact that everyone I'm with will always tell you how much I love you and that I won't leave you. The understanding that I will always be by your side and that you shouldn't doubt the profound message I convey to you. I created you, and I love you now because I loved you before the earth even existed. I know who you are inside, and my love for you knows no bounds. I can see everything about you, so please accept my deepest wishes for prosperity in all of your pursuits. Hope to fulfill your most ardent desires, so please don't feel alone or confused because though my presence might not always be felt or seen, rest assured that I will always be by your side, as I previously stated, and I hope you'll find a moment in your life to let go of the things that are burdening you. Please shut up and give me a call so I can hear your voice. Makes me eager, and I'm prepared to envelop you in my arms like a gentle breeze that inspires you to keep. I will soothe you and hug you close until you accomplish your objective, my darling kid. Love and acceptance. My goal in being here is to support you in strengthening yourself and elevate you, my child, so that you might testify to my celestial powers. Never leave your side and place more faith in me than in the transient things of this world. To pursue these things will only result in suffering, anguish, and despair. Nevertheless, I offer joy, blessings, and enjoyment. So my dear, place all of your trust in me and move forth bravely, knowing that my love surrounds, upholds, and shields you regardless of how many times you fall, my darling, because you will always be there for me in happy and terrible times. Your side, extending my hand to guide you, my sweetheart. I adore and am dedicated to you no matter what, and always remember that you are truly incapable of separating yourself from my affection. An undeserved blessing that grace has given you that lasts forever and unbreakable, my darling. Never give up no matter how dire things get. My love will always be there for you, a haven from life's storms and a guiding light that helps you find your path to the light at the end of the tunnel, and you'll acquire the fortitude to overcome every challenge life presents. Only you, inside of me, are able to recognize your special and unique kind mission. No matter what comes our way, strive not to let your anxieties and uncertainties cloud your judgment. We'll always be there for you. My love for you is unbreakable like a rock. When life's unexpected turns overwhelm you and your anxieties consume you, trust in me, I'll take care of you. I've taken it upon myself to calm your concerns and shoulder the load. All I want is for you to discover my company while you're alone yourself, find timeless love, compassion, and comfort during your grieving, darling. Keep going on and have faith that you will be guided by a higher force. Greatly from all experiences, especially the most trying ones, remember that being never feel completely alone, since you are never alone in your spiritual wellspring, which you might not realize how powerful you are, but I'm here for you. Have faith in the intricate plan and celebrate with you at every turn, both when you achieve and when you fail. I've created one for you that will give you hope and lead to a future full of amazing gifts that you can confidently accept. Watch for the signal you desire to appear and experience the realization of all your innermost desires, goals. I understand that you may feel that the world is closing in on you and that your issues are too huge for you to handle. However, I promise to be there for you no matter where you are or what you're going through. So please know that you are not alone. In moments of pain, loss, you are a steadfast presence that never leaves your side. Any doubt, I hear your requests, which are brimming with unwavering faith and confidence in me. Thus I declare now that I will provide you with the signal you have been looking for and ask you to let forth a passionate cry from your heart. My blissful embrace into your life to allow you to experience my enduring love and witness. You may trust that I will use exceptional power to fulfill your greatest aspirations. I will make all the necessary arrangements to ensure your well-being, dear. A profusion of wealth, joy, favor, and grace as I work to make your requirements will be satisfied and your dreams will come true if you have faith in me. Let me help you achieve your aspirations and ambitions. Lead you through the ups and downs of life, embrace the here and now, and don't worry about the future. I'm putting in a lot of effort to make sure rewards come your way. No matter how much you're carrying right now or how challenging the journey ahead may be, I'm here to walk beside you as you during the route of this life. Don't focus on the fact that your circumstances are unachievable, for the unwavering in my belief that I am the mastermind behind marvels, your all-powerful creator. I am able to. Even in the worst circumstances, I am the only one who can make things better and satisfy all of your wants. The shadow of doubt from your mind, and if you could only have faith in me, I'd be here to satisfy all of your needs. Will be a beacon for you on your trip if you just have faith in me. I have many plans in store for you. As the stars above gaze upon the faint whisper resonating in your spirit, continue forward with unwavering faith and hope, and before you know it, everything will sort itself out and you'll be able to witness my strong hand at work enhancing your my sweetheart. You have to stop worrying about things you can't alter and instead keep your faith and trust in me. Keep an eye out because I am in control of everything. Not because the kindness you are looking for is about to arrive. The opportunities you've been hoping for will materialize like a pile of gifts, and you'll realize that life has exceeded your expectations. Remember, I'm actively involved tying everything together in your life so that it will benefit you in the long run and bring you prosperity. Trust that I will take action when it's appropriate. Cling to your beliefs, and don't be scared of the challenges life may throw at you. Every challenge presents an opportunity for growth, learning, and self-improvement. We'll acquire priceless knowledge that will help you fulfill your life's purpose as you enjoy the gifts that are sending you my best wishes as you navigate these difficult obstacles while you tend to the sick and give hope to the hopeless. Assist those in your community experience the excitement and profound the joy of using charitable deeds to show your love and compassion. Possess the ability to improve the lives of others around you with each step you take. My darling, my tranquility will surround your heart like a kid. May you find comfort in my love's unending arms, and know that I am here for you and find enjoyment in every moment, in every breath, and in every experience you have. The inner strength to take on challenges head-on and the joy to bask in each gift. Go forth without fear, because my passion for you will last forever, and my love for you knows no limits. Trust in me and fearlessly proceed. There is yet a great deal more to be experienced on your adventure. The pages that lie ahead will be full of joy, hope, and love. My kindness and peace will always be with you. Never give in to despair. You have to believe that good things will come your way, since that is what fate has planned for you. So keep your cool, my love.